Have you ever thought about the user experience of everyday things? Like, I think about it all the time. Getting on the bus, tapping your cards everywhere, scanning your QR codes like there's no tomorrow. We do these things every day without second thought, right? But are these already great experiences, or can they be actually improved? And that is what X Factor is all about. Every week, I'll go and explore something new, and I'll take you with me. And at the end of every topic, I'll be rating it with a UX factor. Let's go on a journey through user experience of everyday things. If you ask me, what's that one thing I love to do in life? It's definitely food. I love food so much. I eat out all the time. I go to so many restaurants and order a lot of food using their systems every day. And I'm constantly thinking, what's the most efficient way to get my food on the table? Because you don't want to wait, right? Do you know what happens when a girl gets really hungry? Well, first up, one of my favorite locals, the Rose Hotel. And I'm here for the steak every time. Okay, so when I get to the table, there's this little QR code block thingy. Looks like I can actually scan for the menu. That's pretty cool. Let's give it a go. When the menu pops up, I realize it's exactly the same as the paper menu that's already on the table, without an option for customers to place order through their phone. It opens up a PDF. That's it. What's the point? Maybe the point is, if you say have 6 people on the table and there is only one paper menu. With this QR code, they allowed all 6 people on the table to scan the QR code and read the menu at the same time without having to pass that one single paper menu all around the table. It is helping somehow. But wouldn't it better if I can order it through the QR code as well though, without having to line up at the bar? Got 5 ranks, 5 of the X Factor factors. At the lowest rate, of course, we have something called... Excuse me? What the hell are you thinking? The lowest rank, obviously, so we don't want that. The second one, please explain. I'm so confused. What the hell are you thinking? And then the mid ranking, of course, we have expendable, and it's becoming a little friendlier here. That means there is potential in these ideas and there are a lot of room to improve. Excellent! And that means exactly as it sounds. Finally, we have 10 out of 10. Exquisite! Love it forever. So for the Rose, we're going to rate it expendable. They've chosen a rather lower cost solution to solve some customer pain points. However, they could further develop it to integrate it with a payment system where all the customer will be able to pay on their phone and have the food delivered to their table without them having to go to the bar. So here you go. That's expendable for the Rose Hotel. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit like and of course subscribe for more goodies coming soon.